homelessness, being unhoused is not a crime. I think a lot of times people equate crime with homelessness. When they see encampments, when they see people living in tents, they automatically think drug users, drug dealers, crime.
At Urban Alchemy, we see things differently. Using a compassionate, trauma informed approach, we're tackling California's homelessness crisis one city, one corner, one human being at a time. Partnering with the LAPD and the City of Los Angeles, we created Circle, a program that deploys unarmed support teams in response to non emergency 911 calls.
This is a program that is the first of its kind.
Providing a more effective model to get unhoused Angelinos the support that they need while freeing up police officers to handle the public safety issues that demand their attention.
It's not just what we do and how we do it that makes Urban Alchemy unique, it's who we are. From the boots on the ground to the leadership of our organization, most of our team is made up of formerly incarcerated long-term offenders.
Once I, took responsibility for my actions and made a commitment to change my life, I had the goal of wanting to get back to the community. What Urban Alchemy has facilitated for me is a way to actively get back to folks and get paid for it and make a career off of it.
Took a lot from the community. Now I'm giving back. This is the first time an unarmed response team has come out for tickets that went directly to the 911 operators or to the LAPD.
We're slowly changing the world. We're slowly transforming some of the toughest spaces here in California, and now we're in Austin, Texas.
One city, one corner, one person at a time. Urban Alchemy believes we can change the world because we believe in the change in ourselves.